Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we'll revisit Tesla Motors. We'll take a look at the stock price and the pattern formation. And important to look at is what the price is likely to do next and what the patterns are telling us. Before we move forward, disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only and it is not a financial advice. Okay, so the subscriber of the channel will know that a couple of weeks ago, we did a video on the Tesla stock price, and at that moment, we were talking about that the stock had actually entered into a possible resistance zone, and this is, I believe, the video was being made on 19th of November. You can go and actually have a look at that on the channel. And what transpired was that stock was not able to take out this resistance zone. It was between this 61.8% and 78.6% Fibonacci retracement of this swing here. Then we were also discussing that price is likely to form two kinds of pattern. One pattern formation we were looking at was that perhaps the price was going to actually do a retracement. So what we mean by that is price will do something like this, and then it will retrace to maybe 50%, and then it could have a leg higher, taking out these highs and these highs to go higher around this level. That was one pattern. However, if this pattern were to fail, and we were looking at the regions where it could fail, then the next possible pattern was that actually price will do an ABCD formation. So let me actually delete these. And the ABCD formation is this one. A B C A B C and D. Okay, so I'm gonna delete these because this is already drawn from previous time. So that's what you see here. So I'm just gonna label this for clarity. So that's our A point, that is our B point, that is the C point, and what seems to have happened is that the price reached a D point. So in fact, yesterday, which was 14th of December, price was trading around this D point, so ABCD, and today price actually tried to take that low out, which in fact it did. So if you look at the lowest level was 930 yesterday, and today it went down to 928 spot 25, rejected lower price, closed higher. And we are quickly going to take a look at the volume as well, and it did a volume which is higher than yesterday's volume. So it did it on a volume of 24.795. yesterday it was 23.58, and that is kind of good volume looking at the recent history here. So what we are looking at now is that we look at kind of, okay, the stock looks that it is looking to move higher. So we begin to look at, okay, at what point it might break its bearish symmetry. So during this leg of CD, this is the correction it had made, but it failed to take this high out and actually collapsed lower. So if we take that as the correction in terms of points, it went higher, and we try to project it here. So what we are looking at is 1048 is the kind of the level it is probably going to attempt. And if it is able to close higher than this, then that's a good sign. What it means is that the stock is actually breaking its bearish symmetry. So this level is not a coincidence. Actually, if you look at this level is also repeated here. So you see here, this rally was equal to this rally, and it failed. So if the price begins to move higher, then it is breaking this bearish symmetry that the stock is in, and that's a good sign. And what is also good to know is we have this 20-day moving average hovering around this level as well, around this level. So that's the average a lot of short-term traders will watch. Then what we can also do is we can draw a Fibonacci retracement. So we can draw, let's say, from here, and then what it means is this is the bigger leg. So let me actually make it, take it there. There's not that much of a difference between this level and this level. uh, and what we see is the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement also comes around this level. So if this stock is really bearish, then it should not get much above this 38.2% retracement level. And then also the bearish symmetry, which lies around here, and also the 20-day simple moving average. So it's got a lot of stuff going around here in this region of around $135 and 1050, roughly speaking. On the way up, is there is the 61.8% retracement comes around easily go away, uh, comes around, guys, sorry about that. So it comes around the 1100 level, and also, so that's the other level we'll be watching at. So if it indeed turns out to be the bottom, which looks, probably it could be, because of the ABCD formation and then a number of things coming around here, what could be the upside target? Then just taking an expansion of this entire leg lower like this, the 1.272 expansion comes here at 1330, followed by 1440. So we think that actually 1330 is the kind of level the stock can attempt for, if it is able to break above these levels. So that's what we are watching in Tesla. And thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. If you like the kind of analysis we do here, um, then please do subscribe to the channel, and also hit that bell icon level button, so that you're aware of when the next videos are coming out. Thank you very much for watching the video, and good luck and good trading.